This is an HP Photosmart 7525 that's having a problem with the cartridges, it says, even though I know that there's all cartridges in there. And I switched out the black ink cartridge. It still gives me this error that one or more cartridges appears to be missing or damaged. And it's photo black and black. I'm going to show you how to clear those messages and how to resolve this issue if you happen to run into this. First thing, we're going to open the ink cartridge access unit, the top portion of the printer, as we would for changing out ink cartridges. While the printer is on, of course, so it slides to the middle. And we're going to remove all ink cartridges. In this case, since I had both cartridges, usually if you have this problem, it's going to be just one. And in this case, what our one problem was, I looked inside to inspect what was wrong with these chips right here. Let me put some light on it. These chip contacts for the cartridges. And when I looked inside, there was this, let me see here. This is the chip from the ink cartridges, and apparently it's from the from this one right here. It's from the photo black. So I'm going to put that back, and the problem should go away. So I put that chip over here on this one back, and I'm using this magenta one as a guide to make sure they're pretty much aligned with each other. So the photo black should be resolved. We'll check it out, and when we're done with this, so what we're having a problem with here is the very right is the main black cartridge, the bigger one. And if we look at it, we can see that those 5 connections, only 3 of them are good, but the ones on the side are bent slightly. So I'm gonna just straighten them out. I'm just gonna use this tool in order to straighten out the contacts on here. Have some light on there. I'm gonna try to show it to you as much as I can. So there's actually a total of only 4, not 5 contacts. I'm trying to bend it to the left a little bit, and this one on the left to the right. After I straightened them out, I made sure that they have the spring action on them. So you just touch it with your finger, make sure all 4 of them have this spring back and forth action. One of them is kind of, well, actually all of them are doing good right now. After I straighten them out, they're all good. So I'm going to try to put in the cartridges right now. Okay, so I'm going to put all the cartridges back into the printer. Okay, all the ink cartridges are in there. Okay, so it now recognizes all the cartridges. And we have fixed the problem by straightening out the contacts on the ink cartridge for the ink cartridge chips, and also found that ink cartridge chip for the photo black inside of the printer, and put it back on using a little bit of adhesive, or usually they just have some adhesive on it already. You just put it back, and you can look at the other cartridges in order to guide you. So our printer is back and running after it's doing the preparation. It's just gonna basically tell you this, that non-HP cartridge is what we have in the printer right now, but we're just gonna continue using it since it's a lot cheaper and it's the same quality pretty much as the HP cartridges. Hopefully I was able to guide you to resolve that issue with your printer. That's gonna work on basically all HP Photosmart and any HP that uses pretty much the same setup. They have a very close to it it's kind of set up for Photosmart Plus, Photosmart Premium, a lot of other Photosmart printers that use 5 cartridge and 4 cartridge system. So good luck with your printers. Have a great day. Please subscribe if you liked the video and like it. Thank you.